Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix Roblox error code 529. So we are experiencing the technical difficulties. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, I'm just showing how I'm just opening the Roblox application and it shows the error. Yeah, the error code 529. So our first step is to log out and log in the Roblox application. So sometimes it may help for quick fix. The you can just log out and you can just do quick sign in or whatever like. So our second step is to check your internet connection. So just turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi signal, and if you are using internet, please do disable and enable it once again, and please do check out the router. So our third step is to clear Roblox cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type percentage local app data percentage slash Roblox. So once you enter into the folder, please do delete the for files and folders as mentioned on the video. So our fourth step is to disable proxy. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to search for proxy, or else you need to enter into the network and internet, and please scroll down, you may see the proxy. So over there you need to click setup and then disable the proxy server. So once it's done, please close it, and our fifth step is to flush DNS. So for that you need to enter into command prompt as run as administrator mode. Over there please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there, command prompt. So yeah, please copy one by one and paste it and then click enter. So once you're done, please type exit to exit from CMD. And our sixth step is to allow Roblox through firewall. So for that you need to search for Windows security and then open it, and then enter into the firewall and network protection. Over there allow an app through firewall. So please click change settings and please scroll down, and you need to search for Roblox and check whether the private and public both are enabled or not. If not, please enable and then click OK. So our seventh step is to reinstall Roblox. So over there please enter into the settings and then installed apps, and then type Roblox and the three dot icon. Please do uninstall it and then again reinstall the Roblox application. So eighth step is to update Windows. So for that you need to click settings and then you need to check for Windows update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot the Windows update error. So once it's done, please do check your application whether it's running perfectly or not. Yeah, it's running perfectly. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, take two. Yeah, thank you guys, bye bye.